Welcome to another video. Like and subscribe. Here with the family. Say hi, guys.
No.
They're not being fun today. Today's a skip day. Well, yesterday was too. St. Augustine Beach. We're driving towards the Matanza side. We are doing some 4x4. Actually, it's a Mitsubishi all-wheel drive. I definitely need to have four-wheel drive or all-wheel drive to get on this beach. What I did, like I said before, is mud mode. Put the sucker in mud mode, turn off your anti-lock brakes, turn that off, your anti-lockup control. Actually, a lot of people here. I'm on the new GoPro Hero 10. This is the 10, actually. I said 8 last time. Stabilization with horizontal leveling. I was hoping to fish today, but they said 1 to 2 feet. Fake news. The suckers are like 3-foot surf. I'm gonna try Rattlesnake Island after this. But there's some thick sand. Look at this. Probably scraped the entryway. Yeah, it is the tractor. Normally they're rigged this too. You're at 10 mile an hour, you gotta keep your speed. Again, mud mode, something like that. Let's see. You can see the traction control here. Super all-wheel drive, and I've got actually pretty high PSI in the tires, 40 PSI, 40, 41. You know, you really want to keep it lower, 30, 35 in soft sand. Don't make fun of me.
I'm trying not to.
The missus is making fun of me, and I'm sure you guys are too. Drive 4x4. Let's go. throw a biscuit at him. You got any food? What? Oh, I see it. The one with no legs. Big asshole in the back. More, whatever the hell those things are, cats. We have to pee again. Cordy? You have to pee again? Like and subscribe.